It's Joni and Heather from the CrazyCouponLady.com. We are back. It's been a hot minute since we've been on YouTube, but we've got some great money-saving shopping tips for you today. At Walgreens, there are two types of reward programs and two different types of sales you'll see advertised in the weekly Walgreens circular. The first are called Register Rewards. A Register Reward is a coupon that will print after your purchase that's like money off of your next purchase. And Balance Rewards program. In order to get those points added, you have to join the Balance Rewards program next time you're shopping at Walgreens.
Accumulate Balance Rewards points when you buy qualifying items at Walgreens. Now that's done in two ways. First of all of these are found in the weekly ad and on the CrazyCouponLady.com each week. There's two types of these promotions. The first one is when you buy qualifying items and receive a certain number of points, and the other one is when you spend a certain dollar amount and then receive points.
There's no limit to the number of Balance Rewards points you can earn on your account, but you can only redeem 5,000 points at a time, or $5. Nope. Days after filming, Walgreens actually updated their coupon policy for the better, now allowing up to 50,000 Balance Rewards points or $50 to be redeemed per transaction. And remember, when you want to redeem your points, mention it to your cashier. They'll hit a button that'll pull up a prompt, and then you get to select whether you want to redeem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, or $50 in points at a time. And remember, Balance Rewards points expire after 1 year, and you can track that date in the Walgreens app.
Balance Rewards spend thresholds must be met after manufacturer coupons. That means if there's a promotion where you spend $20 and receive 5,000 points, and you use manufacturer coupons on that, you have to make sure that your subtotal meets $20 after the coupons.
Opt in for Walgreens Beauty Enthusiast program next time you're in store or using the Walgreens app to get 10% back on all of your beauty purchases. That means when you spend $50, you'll get 5,000 points added to your account. And it's not just cosmetics, it includes skin and hair care. The only exclusions are baby and men's items.
Try out makeup for free at Walgreens. It's not like Sephora where they'll send you home with a free sample, but if you're trying to decide between two shades of makeup, just ask to try it and they'll let you try it on in the store.
Earn Register Rewards for purchasing qualifying items at Walgreens. For example, this week when you buy 3 shave gels, you'll get a $5 Register Reward. It'll look like this. It's a coupon that you'll get handed with your receipt that you can use on a future purchase. And get this, these are only $2 each. That means when I buy 3 of them, I'm gonna spend $6 and get $5 back. That's a crazy good deal without any coupons.
The Walgreens coupon policy allows 1 manufacturer coupon for every item you're purchasing. So if you're buying 5 items and you're using 5 manufacturer coupons and you're trying to use a Register Reward to pay as well, the register is not going to like that. So what you do is you add in a filler item. You can do something like a gallon of milk, you could do a 39-cent sucker, or even find something in the clearance aisle that you want to get, like these pens for 69 cents. And once you throw that into your transaction, you'll be good to go. Check out Crazy Coupon Lady each week where we post a list of inexpensive filler items at Walgreens.
The single most confusing thing about couponing at Walgreens is rolling Register Rewards. That is the practice of using a Register Reward that you earned from one transaction to pay for items in a second transaction. Essentially, what you cannot do is, let's say you're buying toothpaste, and when you buy 3 toothpaste, it generates a Register Reward, and you'd like to buy 6 toothpaste. You can't buy all 6 at once, and you can't buy 3, get a Register Reward, and buy 3 more, and use that Register Reward to pay if you expect a new one to print. If you want to roll Register Rewards, you have to do 2 different promotions or save them from one week to the next. For example, if you're buying the 3 toothpaste and you get a Register Reward, and then you want to buy toilet paper that's also part of a Register Reward, you can use the toothpaste Register Reward, buy that toilet paper, and you'll still get a toilet paper reward. Hypothetically speaking, you could buy toothpaste after the toilet paper and go every other one, but the simplest way to roll, in my opinion, is to simply save all the Register Rewards you got one week and use them the next. And that's how you do the rolling at the Walgreens.
One of the best ways to save 50 to 90% at Walgreens is to stack manufacturer and store coupons. According to the Walgreens coupon policy, you can use 1 store coupon and 1 manufacturer coupon on every item you purchase.
There are two places to find Walgreens store coupons. The first is in the monthly coupon booklet, which you can find on the newsstand in the front of the store, and the second is inside the Walgreens app. When you tie the app to your loyalty account, you can load coupons to your account, and they come off when you enter your phone number at checkout. Scan any item with the Walgreens app to find out if there are any coupons available that you can load to your loyalty card. Just open the Walgreens app, click Weekly Ad and Coupons, then select the barcode icon and just scan the barcode of the item, and the Walgreens app will show you if there are any manufacturer or store coupons available. And that is how you coupon at Walgreens.
I have a couple more tips for you. Come back to the office with me and I'll share those with you next. All right, you guys, we have one last tip for you, and this is one of the most important tips. Download apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, Saving Star, and Fetch. These are apps that you can use once you get home. So in our case today, we bought Cottonelle. I used a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon, and now all I have to do is scan my receipt with the Ibotta app, and I'm gonna get money credited into my account. It's so easy. Okay, now to recap. First thing you need to do to shop at Walgreens is download the KCL app. We post tons of Walgreens deals every single day. So all you have to do is favorite Walgreens in the app, and you're gonna see all of those deals as soon as you open up the app. Plus, we have deal alerts. This is where you can subscribe to brands that you buy so that you can find out as soon as we post deals. So brands like Tide, Cottonelle, Crest toothpaste, all the brands you buy are in there. All you have to do is subscribe to those. We'll send you a notification as soon as we post a deal so that you can be the first to get that deal. All right, I think that's it. Thanks for sticking with us all the way to the end. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.